Bosnians, the Croats, and the Serbs are exactly identically the same people. They speak the exact same language. There are some regional dialectical differences, but it is the exact same language. German has more variation than those three languages have from each other. They look the same. They're genetically the same. You can't tell them apart. 23andMe can't differentiate them. They're culturally the same. Even though Bosnia had more Muslims, there were Muslims living in Serbia, and there were Serbians living in Bosnia. They were just completely intermingled. As kids went to school together, they shopped at the same stores together. The only difference was their religion. The Serbs, the Serbian Orthodox, were Orthodox Christians. The Serbs saw themselves as an extension of a pan-Slavic state. They thought of Russia as their friend, whereas the Croatians, because they were Catholic, were looking more towards Germany or Austria or Hungary, which was also Catholic. And then, of course, the Bosnians were looking towards Turkey because they were Muslim.